What's the meaning of B-list? B-list. B-list.
B-list. B-list. The term B-list is commonly used to describe someone or something that is not considered to be on the top tier of importance or prestige. It can be applied to actors, musicians, or other celebrities who are not as well known or popular as A-list stars. Similarly, it can describe events or products that do not receive as much attention or demand as those in the top tier. Being on the B-list does not necessarily mean that someone or something is of poor quality, but rather that they have yet to achieve the level of recognition or success of their A-list counterparts.